Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how the device you're watching this video on processes everything so smoothly and effectively? Well, the superhero behind all these operations is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Let's dive into how your computer thinks and processes information with the help of its CPU. First off, think of the CPU as the brain of your computer. Just like how our brain controls what we do, the CPU directs your computer on how to execute tasks, ranging from the simplest to the most complex. Now, the CPU performs its magic through a process we call the fetch-execute cycle. It starts by fetching or retrieving the instructions from the computer's memory. Then it decodes these instructions to understand what needs to be done. Next, it executes the commands, and finally it stores the results back into the memory. Sounds busy, right? But how does it manage to do all this so quickly? Well, the speed of a CPU is measured in gigahertz. Yes, billions of cycles per second. Imagine flipping through a billion pages of a book in just 1 second. That's how fast the CPU can process tasks. And it's not just about speed. CPUs have cores. Initially, CPUs had just one core. However, as technology advanced, multi-core CPUs became the norm. Think of cores like additional brains, all working together to increase the efficiency and speed of processing. So a dual-core or a quad-core CPU can handle multiple tasks far more effectively than a single-core processor. Now, what about the kind of tasks? Well, CPUs handle everything from the basic operations of your operating system to the graphics in your favorite video games. They manage the logic, the arithmetic, the input-output operations, and much more. To keep up with the increasing demand for power and efficiency, CPU manufacturers like Intel and AMD continuously innovate designs and technologies. For instance, technologies such as hyperthreading and turbo boost have been developed to enhance performance without increasing the clock speed. In conclusion, the CPU is truly the unsung hero of our computer systems, tirelessly processing and executing instructions to keep everything running smoothly. So next time your game loads quickly or your application runs without a hitch, remember, it's all thanks to the mighty CPU working in the background. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of CPUs with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting tech insights. See you in the next video.